Okay, we're outside our coop to show the automatic door opener. There's the control. Very simple. It's got an electric eye, dawn to dusk. You can also set it for time. We just keep it dawn to dusk because it works really well. I'll show it here. So the door is attached to the back of the coop. I'll probably end up taking that wire behind one of the boards, but you know, we've had it in operation now for well over a month and a half, and it's worked flawlessly. This is the closing. If it closed there and there happened to be a chicken there, there is a small sensor, and it will open that door back up so it doesn't squish the chicken. And then that's how, of course, it is overnight. And then when dawn hits in the morning, it does the same thing. Our chickens have learned over the course of the last month and a half already. That noise, when they hear it, they're already in at night, or in the morning, they're waiting to come out as soon as that opens up. But one of the best things we've ever added to this coop, we can sleep or work in the morning and not have to worry about being down here at 5:30 or 6 a.m. when the sun's up, and no more waking up in the middle of the night thinking, oh my gosh, did I close the chicken door? Great addition to the chicken coop that's made it very easy.